Today's video is a cool tool video, and I'm going to tell you all about it coming up next. Today's video is a cool tool video, and well, today's cool tool is this one right here, and what it is it's a battery operated ratchet, and it works just like a regular ratchet and socket set, except, well, it's battery driven. Now, I'm right in the process of dismantling a float that I built in March for St. Patrick's Day, and this, I gotta tell you, is the perfect tool for doing such a job. And I thought now's the perfect time to demonstrate the ratchet and show you just how easy it is to operate and how it makes fast work of a lot of nuts and a lot of bolts. So let me show you a few of the features that makes this tool stand out. It has a lock that prevents the paddle from, discharging the battery when you're storing the tool in your tool bag or toolbox. It has a light. So if you're working in a confined area like under your hood in a tight spot, you can see exactly what you're doing. Now the tool also comes with a fuel indicator strip. All you have to do is pull the trigger and it lets you know just how much battery you have left. Now the tool comes with a 3/8" drive. Let's take this off of here so you can see. But the sockets aren't included. Now it operates just like a regular ratchet. This right here controls the direction your socket is going to turn. Now I've got a lag bolt here that I'm going to drive. That's it. Now, as easy as it can drive bolts, it can remove them. Now, the tool comes with a battery and a battery charger. I'm just going to pull the battery out of the tool. All you have to do is depress the sides and pull, and that's all there is to removing the battery. And then you just insert it like you normally would when you need to charge it. Now, it's a 12-volt lithium battery. Now, I purchased this a while back. As you can see, it's got a little bit of wear and tear on it, but I gotta tell you, nothing's stopping this tool. It delivers 35 foot-pounds of torque. So there isn't really anything that I've come across while assembling or disassembling that the tool can't handle. Now, of course, you're not going to be able to use this tool to tighten or loosen the lug nuts on a vehicle. It just doesn't have enough torque to do that. It has really great fastening speed of 250 RPM, so if you're assembling or disassembling something that has a great deal of nuts and bolts, this is the tool you want to use. I'll place a link in the description below so you can check this tool out for yourself. This is Leah saying you can do this. See you next time.